Hi, Robert Hockensmith again. I would like to explain to you the Arizona state tax credits that are on the matrix on this website. I'm going to explain to you what the tax credits are, how they're used, and then we're going to go to the actual website at the Arizona Department of Revenue, and I'm going to show you where to find these tax credits and how you can use them. So let's start by explaining what they are. The Arizona state tax credits are an opportunity for individual taxpayers to be able to make a donation to a particular kind of charitable organization and receive a tax credit for this donation. Now, this is not a reduction in your income. This is actually a reduction of your taxes. So this benefits you as a taxpayer. It benefits the state. It benefits the charitable organization that you're donating to. Nobody loses in this type of charitable tax credit. There are 5 different kinds of Arizona state tax credits that individuals use on a regular basis that we will discuss. Usually they're dealing with schools and low-income types of charities. The first one is known as the private school tax credit, or the STO, state tax credit, state tuition organization. Now with this one, you will have to check each year because the numbers tend to change, and so what happens for 2020 may not be true for other years. An individual can donate up to $1,185 and actually have that reducing their Arizona income tax. A married couple can donate up to $2,365 and have that contribution reduce their state of Arizona income tax. Now, this is for children in private schools. And a lot of people believe that children in private schools come from rich families, but I must explain that as much as 25% of the enrollees in private schools are actually very low-income families who receive full scholarships. So when you see children in private schools, don't assume they're just rich children, because that's not the case. Many of these children are very low income and they get full tuition in order to attend these schools. Number 2, the tax credit number 2 is known as the Qualified Charitable Organization. It used to be called the Working Poor Credit, and this is one in which you donate to organizations such as food banks or Habitat for Humanity or Deseret Industries. These are cash donations, not food, not clothes, not furniture, but actual cash or check or credit card donations that you make. The Qualified Charitable Organization allows for an individual to donate up to $400 a year. And a married couple can donate up to $800 a year against their state income taxes. Again, we will further explain where to find these organizations and how to look them up in the following video. Tax credit number 3, the public school tax credit. Now these are for public schools and charter schools in the state of Arizona. Charter schools are considered public schools for this tax credit purpose. And any first grade through 12th grade school that is a public school or a charter school will qualify for this tax credit. The most an individual can donate is $200. The most a family can donate is $400 for this public school tax credit. Item number 4. Item number 4 is the Qualified Foster Children Organization credit. This is about 30 different organizations in the state of Arizona that allow you to donate toward their programs. Individuals can donate up to $500 a year, while married couples can donate up to $1,000 a year toward these charitable donations to these Arizona foster children organizations. Last, number 5, we have the Arizona Department of Veterans Services. This is found on a different website than the first 4. As can be seen from our website, it tells you where to go to find each of these tax credits. The Arizona Department of Veterans Services helps low-income National Guard or reservists when they are mobilized into combat zones. They help the low-income service people with their normal operating expenses, because typically when somebody is mobilized to a combat zone, their pay is actually reduced. As a civilian, they make more money than they do as a soldier. And so the Arizona Department of Veterans Services tries to help the lower ranking enlisted personnel with their expenses when they're away defending this country. A single individual can donate up to $200 a year, while a married couple can donate up to $400 a year. Now, I've given you 5 different tax credits that are available for married and single people. You can actually donate to all 5 of these. You don't have to do any one in particular. You can do all 5 or any combination thereof. The trick is, find out what your tax liability was the previous year, and you can find that on your Arizona state tax return and see what your tax liability was. Or talk to me, your CPA, and we can tell you how much you should donate. Some people actually donate more than they need to, but the benefit here is that that money is not wasted. Any excess donations get carried over into future years until they are used. So you're not throwing away the money, you're actually donating ahead of time if you donate too much. It's never a waste. Thank you.